just wanna know why every time I come around motherfuckers think it's funny looking at me up and down. I don't really know you, you don't really know the crew. Stop acting like it's funny, nah, shit you gonna do. Look at you, crew not hard. Motherfuckers don't know that the kid had bars. Check ID, flow, police him down. You always acting funny till police come around. You got a new car but you leasing it now. I got a big dog on a leash, I'm releasing him now. You know police at a pound, I'm a beast and a hound. No crew loud, we ain't keeping it down, but we slowing it down. She got crew love cause she holding us down, holding us down. Got young ends pouring out they hosters now. Not shopping and holders now. What? All Balmain, all this designer, Gucci and Prada. Spending a lot on weed and anything I need. I'm trying to smoke but not a fiend. I'm not attracted to the lean, so fuck all that promethazine. Don't make me start another scene. I grab your mother, make it scream and stab your brother, leave the scene, won't even see the car fleeing. Woo! Cop the old white whip, it stay clean, no. Always on the scene, winning like Charlie Sheen. No, they tryna take my green, but they can't, they not see. Low can't see through me, but I see through them. 10 so dark, can't peek through the bands. We'll leap through your fence, and I'm rolling with a motherfucking click that's tighter than Anderson's friends. And it depends how I'm feeling today. I'll pick up a bar, then I'm slamming away. Can we debate that I may be the best? I'm a hushing haters up like when babies to rest. I hustle around these fakes so they baby they stress. My weed so strong that it maybe just flex. Lately I got my haters depressed, and I leave them impressed, but they loving it though. Only thing I don't do is show love to a hoe. No love for the foes, no love to the feds. Shout out group chat, man, I fuck with my friends. Keep my circle small, no bugs in my bed, man. I'm fucked in the head when I'm rapping this shit. I'm cracking the broad, how I'm slapping a bitch. I'm a masculine kid, an immaculate whiz. I'm immature a little bit, but I don't really give a shit. I give a lot, I take a bit, I roll it up, I take a hit. I'm giving out these outs like damn, what? Giving out these outs like damn, yeah. Your boy high as hell off the Zans, yeah. Your haters blow just like fans, y'all don't get it though. I keep my circle small, something tighter than a Cheerio. Get it through your head, I don't give a fuck, you dead, son. Don't step to me or swear to God that you gon' be my next son. Stop coming at my neck, son. I swear that you're my stepsons. Never put me in a list with anyone that's step one. Don't step to me, that's step two. Step three, when you coming at me, don't forget your whole crew. We got banana clips, that's whole food. Extendo mags, no playboy. No hustle around me, don't fake boy. Now all I get is paper, so what can you even say, boy? I coming up ripping up tracks, spitting these facts, and it's so fast. They sit on the rats while I just rap. Matter of fact, I might just brag and tell you about all of the bitches I bag, and tell you about all of the bitches I had. And every bitch bagged in the back with a pack. Oh, that's your chick? That's why you so sad, like, oh.